circuit? Means it is a connected graph. A connected graph, also you can say that, yeah, just circuit, you can say that a two regular connected graph is a circuit. A two regular means every degree of a vertex is 2. It is two regular. Okay, a connected two regular graph is a circuit. Okay, what is a regular? Regular means every vertex has degree 2. That means regularity. And connectedness means a graph will be the connected if there exists a walk between any pair of vertices. If you take any distinct pair of vertices, there exists a walk. Okay, so in that connected two regular graph will be a circuit. Okay, now we are talking about the fundamental circuit. So what is the fundamental circuit? Okay, to discuss the fundamental circuit, we need a spanning tree. What need? We need a spanning tree. So what? Let T be a spanning tree. Okay, in a connected graph G. Clear? T is spanning tree in G. T is spanning tree in G. So edges of T are called branch, and edge of G which are not branch are called chords. Okay, so this is G and this is spanning tree T. Clear? These are the branches here, B1, B2, B3, and this is C1, it is C2, it is B3, it is B2, and it is B1. Clear? Edge of tree are branch and edge of graph will be chords. Okay. If I add one chord in the spanning tree, what will happen? Suppose I add this.
सर कोई ज्वाइन होना चाहता है.
कोई ज्वाइन होना चाहता है. ठीक है, हो गया ज्वाइन. आप एक साथ ज्वाइन हो जाया करो, इतना देखिए कितने सारे बच्चे हैं. ओके, देखिए इंटरनेट की प्रॉब्लम यही है. ठीक है, एक होता है ना कि टाइम पर आप सब ऑलरेडी ज्वाइन हो जाओगे. क्या है उसके लिए क्या करना होगा? उसमें टाइम हम फिक्स कर देंगे तो फिर उसके बाद वो ज्वाइन नहीं होंगे. अरे ये सही नहीं है. वो इंटरनेट का इशू हो सकता है किसी के पास. वो नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. वो चीज नहीं. क्यों? हाँ नहीं, वो ठीक है, लेकिन उसमें क्या होता है कि बच्चे उनके घर क्या प्रॉब्लम है, इंटरनेट की सुविधा है या नहीं है. उस समय है ही नहीं, 15 मिनट के बाद सुविधा ही नहीं हुई, तो फिर कैसे ज्वाइन करेंगे वो 10 मिनट में? ठीक है, ये तो इशू है ना, ये बहुत बड़ा इशू. ओके, कम टू द पॉइंट. आई एम सेइंग दैट if I add one chord in the spanning tree, so you can see that this one here, B2, B1, C1, is it, what is this? It is circuit or not? In this case, it is circuit. Adding by one chord in a spanning tree always create a circuit. Adding one chord into a spanning tree always create a circuit. That circuit is a fundamental circuit. Okay, so I'm writing here again. इससे अच्छा तो ये होगा कि कोई अब प्रेजेंटेशन होता तो आपको अच्छे से लिखने में समय बहुत लगता, कोर्स इसलिए नहीं हो पाता आपका, क्योंकि सभी चीजें फिर पहले आपको समझाते हैं। हाँ, ऐसा ही करना। पहले हम लिखवाएंगे, फिर नहीं समझाएंगे, लिखाएंगे, बहुत समय लगता है ना। हाँ, समझाना बिना समझाए, देखिए बिना डिस्कस किए नोट प्रोवाइड करते हैं, वो डिफरेंट थिंग है। जब तक उस नोट्स को हम डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, देन इट विल बी लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट, थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी होगी उसको समझने में। ओके, लीव इट now. You got it? Definition. What is the definition? A fundamental circuit, it is that means if we add any code into the spanning tree, always create a circuit, that circuit is a fundamental circuit. And you can write adding one is adding one code to T. T means fundamental, T means spanning tree. T will create exactly one circuit. Clear? It is clear from this example. Okay, adding one code to T. T means spanning tree. Okay, adding one code to tree will create exactly one circuit. Such circuit is called formed by adding code to a spanning tree is called a fundamental circuit. Clear? You can write here. Next. So how many codes in this graph? G? 2 codes. Okay. So adding one codes, we create one fundamental circuit. Adding another code, we obtain another fundamental circuit. Okay. For example, in this case, if we add this one, this C2, it is always it is again a fundamental circuit. Okay. So adding codes, we find a fundamental circuit. Okay. So the number of, I'm coming the results. I'm coming some results. First result is every connected graph okay, you know connected graph. Okay, means if there exists a walk between any distinct pair of vertices. Okay, means that is the connected graph. Okay, every connected graph has at least one spanning tree. At least one. I am saying this one yesterday. Every connected graph has at least one spanning tree. Clear? If graph is connected, then it has always a spanning tree. At least one. Okay. It may be more than one. Okay. But एक तो होगा ही. Okay. Next result. With respect to any with respect to any of its spanning tree. Its spanning tree T. A connected graph G of order n and size E, order n, size E has, suppose we have a given graph G whose order is n and size E, and that graph is connected and any spanning tree is given, then has n minus 1 tree branch and E minus n plus 1 codes. Clear? Because branch with respect to this spanning tree. Okay. And code will be E minus n plus 1. Clear? And if this quantity can be represented as E minus yes, due to the connectedness. This is n minus 1 is also for the connectedness because graph is connected. Connected means k is equal to 1. Okay. I have a connected graph. It means that its component is 1. Okay. With respect to given spanning tree, then the number of branch will be n minus 1 and codes will be n minus r also you can write, where r is the rank of a graph. Clear? I will discuss these results after taking one example, but first of all I write another result. Next result, a connected graph G is a tree. Connected graph G is a tree if and only if condition is that adding an edge between any two vertices in G. What is the creates exactly one circuit. Clear? I think this result is based on the fundamental circuit. So exactly one circuit means create a fundamental circuit also. It is the meaning that I'm saying that suppose the meaning of that graph G, it is connected. Connected graph is a tree. Connected graph is a tree if and only if and only if adding one edge between any two distinct vertices in G create exactly one circuit. Okay, that will be a यदि कनेक्टेड ग्राफ है और ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड होती है, ओके, ग्राफ इज कनेक्टेड, और ये ट्री है तो ऑब्वियसली ये आपका एक सर्किट क्रिएट करेगा। एक कनेक्टेड ग्राफ जी इज ए ट्री, ट्री है, अगर ट्री है कोई, एक मिनट, यस, सर्किट क्रिएट करेगा एक, ओके, मींस यदि ट्री है और ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई कर रही है, फंडामेंटल सर्किट लिख सकते हैं हम, ओके, create a fundamental circuit, then it will be a tree. If it is a tree and connected, then it will create a fundamental circuit. You can see a connected graph, एक ग्राफ है, कनेक्टेड है, क्लियर, this is connected graph G. I am saying that this G is tree and it is tree. It is tree. Is a tree. It is tree. Adding one edge between any of two circuit in G create exactly one circuit. So can you create? Suppose you want to add this one. So create exactly one circuit. एक सर्किट क्रिएट हुआ, सिर्फ एक सर्किट क्रिएट होगा, एक एड एज करेंगे बिटवीन एनी पेयर ऑफ वर्टिसेस, देन क्रिएट एग्जैक्टली वन सर्किट, वही होता हुआ है। तो इसका मतलब जो प्रीवियस ग्राफ था कनेक्टेड, इट इज वाज कनेक्टेड, it is connected, so and it is tree. Suppose graph is not connected, then it is the problem. Graph must be connected. Okay, again, now this is a connected graph, this is connected graph, okay, G, it is tree or not, we have to check. I am saying that a connected graph is a tree adding one edge between any two vertices in G create exactly one circuit. Okay, अब suppose there is already one circuit in this graph, already one circuit. So if we add any edge between any two vertices, suppose I add here to here, so there are two circuit in this case, and we are seeing exactly one circuit. So it means that the previous graph, this one is not tree. It will be tree only when it create only one circuit, adding one edge between two vertices. Clear? ट्री होगा तभी क्रिएट एग्जैक्टली वन सर्किट क्रिएट हो सकता है, ट्री नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा। ओके, चलो कम टू दिस रिजल्ट आल्सो। एवरी कनेक्टेड ग्राफ हैज एट लीस्ट वन स्पैनिंग ट्री, यू नो अबाउट दिस, इट इज क्लियर। मींस सपोज दिस इज ए कनेक्टेड ग्राफ and this connected graph has tree, spanning tree. What is the spanning tree of this one? Just it is a spanning tree. Okay, also this one is also a spanning tree. Okay, all are spanning tree, means at least one spanning tree exists for every connected graph. Clear this result? Second result, with respect to any of its spanning tree, a connected graph G of order n has size E, order is n, size is E, has n minus 1 branch and n minus r each. So I think it is clear with respect to this tree. Okay, this is spanning tree. So these A's are branches. So number of branches. What is the order of this graph? N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So branches means age of T. What's are these are 4. Codes age of G. Codes is 1. Only this age with respect to this vertex. And I think it will be clear from that. Order and E 5, 5, 5, N minus 1, 4, N minus R means E minus N. E is 5, 5 minus 5, 0 and 1. Clear? Satisfied? Any doubt? Listen. This is a graph. This is graph G and it is spanning tree. No problem. Okay. Number of A's in this graph 5 and number of vertices are 5. Okay. Number of A's in this graph 4 means branch are 4. There are 4 branch. Number of age what will the age? Only 1. This one. Now we move another result. Yes. Number of fundamental circuit. Number of fundamental circuit in a graph is equal to the number of codes. It is clear from this. It is graph. Okay. Number of fundamental circuit in the graph is with respect to this spanning tree. Okay. With respect to this spanning tree, code only 1. When we add a code into a spanning tree, always create a circuit. That circuit is a fundamental circuit. And in this, with respect to this spanning tree, there is only one edge. So it means there is only one circuit. There is only one circuit. One fundamental circuit. So according to the result, number of code is 1 and number of fundamental circuit will be equal to 1. Both are 1, 1. A simple graph is connected if and only if it has a spanning tree. If and only if it has a spanning tree. I think it is clear. It is simple graph or not? Simple, what is the definition of simple graph? Yes, means without loop and parallelize. That will be a simple graph. So this is a simple graph. Okay. So I'm that a simple graph is connected. It is connected. I know that it's connected. Okay, but according to definition, it has a spanning tree. Is this graph has a spanning tree? This graph has a spanning tree. So it means that that graph is connected. It is obviously we can see it is a connected graph. Okay, but suppose it is a spanning tree. If and only if condition say it is a spanning tree of a graph G. It is spanning tree of a graph and a graph G, then that graph always be a connected simple graph. It will be always a connected. Okay, because with respect to we are getting the spanning tree. Spanning tree is nothing. It is a connected tree without circuit. Tree is nothing. It is a connected graph without circuit. Okay, spanning tree hai, it means that no circuit. Okay, and it is always a connected. So that's that it is not a simple connected graph. We have three algorithms. Okay, first we will discuss these three algorithms, then after we will also discuss two more algorithms for finding the spanning tree. Okay, but these algorithms based on the only unweighted graph. These algorithm is based for the undirected graph of the theory of binary tree we will find. Okay, two is based on the binary tree and first one is based on the fundamental circuit theory. Okay, so cyclic interchange means first
सर लास्ट स्लाइड दिखाइए सर. थैंक यू सर.
okay. Cyclic interchange. Okay. In this algorithm, we need a spanning tree, given spanning tree. Clear? In this algorithm, we need a spanning tree. Okay. With respect to one spanning tree, we will interchange that spanning tree and find others spanning tree. What is the process? How to find a fundamental circuit? Just by adding codes. Okay, you will cut the point of this algorithm. This is G here, and I have this one. Given tree, it is given. Okay, we have to find all spanning tree. Only one is given. So in this tree, we can add one code. Adding code in this spanning tree will create a circuit. Suppose, so I can write here B1, B2, B3, B1, B2, B3, and it is C1, it is C2. Clear? Now adding one code in this spanning tree, we create a circuit, fundamental circuit, adding code, removing one branch in this fundamental circuit. Suppose I remove this one, then we obtain another spanning tree. This is T2. Okay, it is also a spanning tree. It is clear. It is also a spanning tree. It is a spanning tree before means before adding the code. Before adding the code, it was a spanning tree. But when we add the code and removing the branch, we again obtain another spanning tree. Okay, and we can continue this process until we can obtain all the spanning tree. Okay, when will we stop? Number of spanning trees is equal to the means how many fundamental spanning trees here? Number of spanning tree. 16. How? N square. N is the order of the graph. Yes. We will not find exactly total number of spanning tree because it is a process, deleting and aging. So after deleting and aging, all the deleting and adding the code and branches, we can get another fundamental. Sorry, we can get a spanning tree only. Okay, so the question is that when we stop this process, yes, when the iteration will be converge. Iteration will be converge means when we getting the same spanning tree, then we will stop. Okay, so just you can write if you want to write there. So suppose we consider a spanning tree T1, adding a code, say H1 to the tree T1 and form the fundamental circuit, remove any branch from this fundamental circuit, will create a fundamental circuit that end. After removing the branch from this fundamental circuit, we will obtain another spanning tree. Okay, again in this spanning tree, with respect to this spanning tree, we can add another another code and delete the branch, we get another spanning tree. Okay, so basically this process is called the cyclic interchange. Cyclic interchange means we will stop that process when we getting the repeat spanning tree. Okay, जब आपको दोबारा वही स्पैनिंग ट्री मिलने स्टार्ट हो जाए, then we will stop. Okay, because in this case a spanning tree is given. Without given, because ये given है तो इसके रेस्पेक्ट ही हम स्पैनिंग ट्री फाइंड करेंगे. जब ये मिल जाएगा तो हम छोड़ देंगे. Okay, so it is not necessary that in this process we can obtain all the spanning tree of a graph. क्योंकि हमें इस प्रोसेस में ऐसा नहीं है कि सभी स्पैनिंग ट्री मिल जाए, क्योंकि we are taking this one with respect to this one, we are finding the another spanning tree. With respect to this spanning tree, we are finding another spanning tree. Clear? So it is not necessary that in this process we can obtain all the spanning tree. Clear? If we take another spanning tree here with respect to this spanning tree, we can obtain another spanning tree. Just suppose we have a spanning tree. Okay, with respect to spanning tree, we can add the code, remove the branch. We will obtain a spanning tree. Another, with respect to that spanning tree, we will add the code and remove the branch. We again obtain another spanning tree. With respect to that spanning tree, we will add the branch code and remove the branch. We obtain another spanning tree. Okay, when we obtain same spanning tree, then we will stop. Clear? Okay, so I stop here. Tomorrow we will continue these two algorithms more, BFS and DFS algorithm. Clear? Okay, and these algorithm is based on the binary tree, means rooted tree, not a binary tree, means on the rooted tree. Clear? So I hope you will read the rooted tree. Attendance. आपका एग्जाम लिया जाए क्या, ये बताइए आप लोग। मिड सेम कुछ ट्यूटोरियल का रख लेते हैं, कुछ एग्जाम रख लेते हैं, 10-20 कर देते हैं। 10 मिनट का एग्जाम। सबको कितने स्टूडेंट हैं आप लोग? हमारे पास रिकॉर्ड में है 45 क्वेश्चन ही देंगे हम। एक क्वेश्चन सभी को देंगे। नो chance for repetition of answer. That means that chance will be 0. Chance for repetition will be 0. कोई बात नहीं, सब अपना आंसर देंगे सब। ऑनलाइन ज्वाइन कराएंगे, अगर ऑनलाइन वो ज्वाइन नहीं करते हैं समय से तो एब्सेंट, यही प्रोसेस होगा, क्योंकि आपको एक ड्यूरेशन टाइम दिया जाएगा ना पहले से। कितने? अच्छा, गूगल फॉर्म में ही आंसर टाइप करना था और सबमिट करना था। इसमें ग्राफ कैसे बनाओगे? क्योंकि गूगल फॉर्म में ग्राफ कैसे बनाओगे? ओके, पहले अटेंडेंस लगाते हैं, उसके बाद डिस्कस करेंगे। हम अपना देखेंगे। डेट है 26। वन
Yes, sir.